Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing so good. So in this video, we are going to talk about a website. That website name is you can see in the top left, the trxy.com. So in this video, we are going to talk about that. So now I'm going to click on the sign up. While doing that sign up, you can see registered successfully wallet status 1. You can see it's a successfully registered. I have done. So now again I'm going to put and again I'm going to do login in front of you. So whatever I can do, you can follow all these steps. So you can see again I'm going to do because I have not saved yet. So now what going I'm going to in front of you, you can see, just wait and watch. So here you can see while login I have got some 5000 TRX. Now in front of you I'm going to do deposit. So first I have to click on the deposit, then I have to click on the basic deposit. Then you can see I have to copy this, and the minimum deposit is 5 TRX. So I'm going to try with 5 TRX. You can see I'm going to put it here. After that I'm going to put it 5 TRX. So now what I'm going to do, you can see in front of me, now I'm going to click on this. After that I'm going to click on the confirm, and they are going to take 1.1 TRX as a fee. So you can follow all these things because these all are going to be the necessary. And you can see finally 5 trx is out. Now I have to click on the recharge completed because that is also going to be the important thing. You can see here. Now what I have to do, you can just wait and watch because this is going to be the main thing, and it's going to take little bit time. So what I have to do now in this video, we are going to talk about withdrawal also. That is also going to be the best part of this video. You can see here. So I have received my trx here. So you can see 5 trx I have got it here. So in this video withdrawal will talk, that is going to be the last part. And if you click on this team, if you are able to make your own team, then you are going to make a lot of team. See, when team is possible, when you have the good sharing basis, if you have that sharing team, then only it's going to be possible. Then only you will able to make good amount of money. If sharing is going to be possible, so you can do whatever you want to do. So in my opinion, that is also going to be good option. So right now I have total 5005 trx, that is worth of $323. If you come little bit down, they have right 155,000 members. They are making good amount of profit here. You can see how much profit they are making right now. And if you want to join this, you can see they have the global partner like Wazir X, Coin-D6. They are the best in my opinion. And if you see Bitmain, Binance, they are also going to be too good in my opinion. But what you think about this, you should comment below down this video. Now if you click on the trading, you can see here, while clicking on the trading, they're going to give you 5%, and that is also going to be too good. And if you click on the investment, you can see they have some product list here for 6 days. You can see for 6 days, 7 days, 8 days. If you want to invest here, you can invest and make a good amount of. And if you click on the share, if you want to make good amount from here, you can use my link because that is also going to be the best way to make good amount of money. Now if you come here, you can see because of some network issue it's showing like that. Sorry, this is, I'm checking the withdrawal is showing. Yeah, it's showing. But if you click on this notification tab, you are going to get some notification here. Just wait and watch. So if you click on this notice, there is nothing notice, but if you're going to promote this app, you are going to get some fight. At level 1 you are going to get 10%, level 2 you are going to get 5%, at level 3 you're going to get 2%. That is also going to be too good. Because of some network issue, I'm not able to say. And if you're going to deposit some trx here, you can make a really good amount of money. So if you click, you here also, it's I have some network issue or some company issue in my problem. So if you click on this my, now I'm going to show you how we can withdraw some. Now what we have to do now, the limit is 0.25. I am going to put it here. After that they need my address. For address, I have to come here and I have to click on the receipt. While clicking on the receipt, I have to do what, I have to put it here. After that I am going to put the my answer because that is going to be most probably thing. So minimum amount should be withdrawal is like 50. I have to withdraw, I can't can. So what you think about this, you should comment below down this video. In my opinion, this is going to be too good, but what you think about this, you should comment below down this video. And yeah, we'll meet on next video. Till then, bye, love you everyone, and yeah, hope for the best.